everybody? How is everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. Your boy be back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, checking in, man. You know I appreciate y'all and I love y'all. I have a special video for you guys today. I am letting you guys know and giving you guys a huge discount on a service that we have had for a while, and guys, this service is going to be our eBay automation and coaching service. And I have not brought this to light for a while because it's been in beta. This has been something that I've been working on because before I put something out to the masses, I want to make sure that it works, right? I want to make sure that I can have this produce results so that I know people are being pushed and geared towards just the right situations, right? I don't want you guys to ever be misled or misguided, right? So I try to make sure that we are checking everything. We are crossing our T's and dotting our I's. So now we're going to hop into eBay automation, guys. And this is how you can make a lot of money with eBay. And also you can learn. Okay. So eBay automation, it costs you at start $150 all the way to $250 or $350. You have three options right now. Okay. We're only offering three options. Now what this is sort of kind of just like MERCARI automation, but I'm going to give you a little breakdown and also a slideshow, okay? After this presentation, you would know exactly what this program is and exactly if it is for you or if it is not, okay? Now, I will say this is not for everyone. This is not for someone that wants us just to do the work for them. This is for somebody that wants to build an eBay store as an income stream, and they want to maintain it, and they want to take care of it, nurture it, and make sure that it makes them a great amount of money, okay? That is what this is for. This is 6 months in the making, and this is something that took a long time to put together. I had to get representatives so they can help you guys. I'm also putting aside my time for everybody because I will be coaching you 4 days out of the 7-day week on how to do anything on eBay you want, okay? And I have my own itinerary, but at the same time, I'm geared towards helping you build your eBay, right? So now, what eBay automation is exactly what it says. It is basically us listing, shipping, and providing products for you guys, okay? You do not have to put any products up. You don't have to pay for any products. All of the products are going to be coming from Hustlers Buy. It's going to be different chargers, audio, gadgets, product boxes, different things that you guys will be able to access literally by going to Hustlers Buy as a regular consumer, right? But instead, we're putting our products on eBay for them to buy, and you do not have to pay for any products. Now, the $150 or the $250 or the $350 that you are paying, this is your budget. Now, let me explain to you guys what a budget is. You are not locked into anything when it comes to eBay automation and coaching. There is no, hey, you got to renew. There's nothing. It's a one-time payment of whatever budget you choose. Now, it is a week budget. There's 7 days in a week. So if you have a week budget of $150, what you're telling us is that you want to put $150 up and you want us to now work for you. The $150 is going towards your assistant, the person that is listing the products for you. Now, they're going to list the products for you, but they're not going to just list $150 worth of products. That's not a lot of money. What they're going to do, they're going to double it. So even if you put $250 as your weekly budget, they're going to double it to $500 of product value. What is product value? Product value is going to be the value of the products listed. Now, I understand all of this can get confusing, so that's exactly why I took my time out to make sure that I put together a slideshow for you guys so you guys could understand more in depth. So we're going to get into eBay automation, earn and learn at the same time. All right, so first let's talk about the table of contents. What we're going to do, we're going to make sure that we show you how budget works, how listing and product works, live weekly coaching works. We're going to gear you up towards results and set you up for success. That is our goals, and that is exactly what we have already accomplished with this program. And you'll be seeing results definitely on my Instagram. Definitely make sure you follow me at educated__hustler. Also, make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel as well. I love you guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm sorry how rude of me not to introduce myself. You don't know who I am, My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income, and I take it serious. I show you my ups, my downs, my highs, my lows, and I really care about you guys. So now, what are budgets? Your weekly budget is the amount you choose to invest in your eBay store for us to double into product value. So what I did was I broke it up into categories, and I sort of kind of wanted to sum it up so you guys can sort of kind of understand, right? So $150, if you're investing $150, I'm going to tell you this right now. We're going to give you $300 worth of products on your account, of course, but I'm looking at you as you're somebody that really is just trying to begin to learn, right? So what we really are geared towards with this package is start using live coaching and have your store set up for success. So you're going to have people literally coaching you, including me. Okay, I'm going to be the one sitting there every single day for 4 days, talking to you, showing you different things with the eBay store. We're going to have our sessions and we're going to talk. But your assistant is also going to be there to answer your questions 24/7. This is for all of the packages. You have access to your assistant 24/7. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to set your store up for success, because whatever you sell, of course, we're shipping. Of course, we're listing them, but you're already getting traction within your store while you're actually learning how to run it yourself from me. So that is the beginner learning package, right? So that's $150. Now, $250, that's the beginner earner, okay? So you get the live coaching for 4 days still. And guess what? We're posting more profitable products because you have a bigger budget. So your budget is going to be double $250. So it's going to be $500 of products worth on your eBay account. Now, I'm going to be coaching you, but you're also going to be able to see how profitable products and what products you need to be selling on eBay to get your account to start trending towards the direction you want it to go in. All right. Now, we also have the income builder package. Now, this package is $350. This is called the income builder package because now you're looking towards getting a phone or two posted on your eBay account and getting a tablet or two. So you're getting more higher value products because your product value is going to be $700. Okay. Now, that being said, you're going to get more of an income out of a $700 budget rather than a $300 budget. You get what I'm saying? You're getting live coaching with my tips, of course, 4 days a week again, but you're getting daily high-end products posted on your eBay now because, of course, your budget is higher. So that is how the budgets work, guys. The budgets are literally only for a week. You don't have to, there's no contract. I ain't trying to trap you. I ain't trying to do nothing. All of this is going towards your assistant, making sure that they're helping you. You're not paying for anything, any products or anything like that in that nature. It's literally your weekly budget, okay? So the product value, just to recap, $150 equals $300. $250 equals $500. $350, this equals $700. I don't know why they have it at $650, but that's $700, okay? So now how listing budget works, okay? So Monday, prime example. Let's say you have a $250 income budget that you put on, but let's say it's a lot of numbers I'm going over. Let's say that budget now is being doubled, of course, to $500. On Monday, they need to have a schedule to where they're like, okay, the budget is $500, prime example, right? So now they're going to divide that by 7, and they know every single day they're listing $71 worth of products on your account. Unless they see a trending result or they see something trending on eBay, they may list more, may list less. It all depends on our algorithm. We have a whole set system that we've been working on to make sure that we get you the results you need, all right? So products that are sold, we ship for you. When you have a product that are sold on our store, we will ship the products during the week of the service and also after the service. No matter what orders, we will fulfill them, okay? Now, let me explain to you what that means. So let's say, remember, this program is for 7 days. So whatever sells throughout this 7 days, we are literally listing them, of course, and also shipping them. So if something sells, we're going to then ship that product to the customer. You don't have to worry about it. You could be sitting down, sipping a pina colada, chilling on an island. It doesn't matter to us. We're here to do the work for you. Now, after those 7 days, what happens is let's just say the 7 days pass, you're no longer in the program, but you learned everything you needed to learn, you're good, you're happy, and let's say a product sells. Let's say, prime example, a adapter sells. Okay, an adapter sells. What happens is all you need to do is tell your assistant, hey, hit the email up with your assistant, hey, X amount sold, this sold, I need to ship this to a customer. They're going to say, okay, here's a link, go ahead, purchase it. Once you purchase that product, okay, because you're no longer in the service, so you got to purchase the product. So once you purchase it, because it's going to be a wholesale, we're going to set up an order for you. Now you're getting the wholesale pricing. Once you purchase it, we're going to then send that product exactly to the customer who ordered it address. Okay, does that make sense? So whoever ordered it, we're going to ship it to their address. All right, not to you. So you don't have to have no waiting times. Okay. Now, you do not pay for the products. The only time you pay for the products is after the service. But when you are in the service, you do not pay for no products. We don't ask you to pay no other money. You're not going to hear nobody talk about no money. There ain't no upselling. There ain't nothing. Everything is transparent. You don't have to pay nothing else. All right, the live coaching. I will be live coaching you for 4 days throughout the week, okay? And I will have an itinerary of exactly what we're going to be talking about for that coaching session. The sessions will be around 15 minutes, and we'll be talking exactly on how to do certain things in eBay. I'll be answering any questions you have. I will be face-to-face just like I am right now with you, all right, guys? Results always come with a system, all right? We're going to teach you a system. So we're not only listing products for you, we're not only shipping products for you, but we're also coaching you, and we're developing you within this week into a system. We're teaching you our system that works, and you can implement it in any way you want into yours. All right, guys? So that is exactly how eBay automation and coaching works, and I hope to be working with you guys very, very soon. Please, guys, make sure you make this money work for you. If you want to get into eBay automation and coaching, the link is below. Hit it. Let's get it. And I will see you guys at the top. Peace.